Assalamu alaikum. You are watching Dignity Trust Commitment Present BCM Top News. This is Kajirmaya Mrinmoy and I'm with you all the time. Coronavirus has killed 115 more people in the last 24 hours across the country, which is the second highest in the history of the country. With this, the total number of deaths in the country stood at 14,503. At the same time, 8,822 new people have been identified, which is a record so far. In total, 9,13,258 people have been identified in corona. Dhaka Metropolitan Police DMP Commissioner MD Shafiqul Islam has said that if anyone leaves the house without any reason, they will be arrested and a case will be filed against them. He was speaking at a press conference at the DMP Media Center on Minto Road in the capital on Wednesday, June 30 at 12 noon. At that time, the DMP Commissioner said, if anyone breaks the lockdown this time, he will have to face legal trouble. Health Minister Jahid Malik has said that 6 crore coronavirus vaccines will be available by next December. The Health Minister made the remarks after MPs discussed the proposed budget cuts for the Health Ministry in the proposed 2021-22 budget in the National Assembly session on Wednesday, June 30. The Health Minister said 2.5 million Moderna vaccines will be available from 2nd July to 3rd. At this time, more vaccines will come from China. Awami League General Secretary and Minister for Road Transport and Bridges Obaidul Qadir has called upon the leaders and workers of Awami League and all allied organizations and people's representatives to stand by the helpless people in the lockdown. Politics is for the people, he said. That is why Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina is working day and night to make people smile. He made this remark at a function organized by the Party's Relief and Social Welfare Subcommittee. One person has died in the blast in the Mogbajar incident. Imran, 25, was undergoing treatment at the ICU of the National Institute of Burn and Plastic Surgery Unit. Imran died on Wednesday, June 30 at 6:45 a.m. Sheikh Hasina National Burn and Plastic Surgery Institute resident surgeon Isam Ayub Hussain has confirmed the matter. The death toll in the blast in Mogbajar rose to 9. 7 people were killed on the day of the incident on Sunday. Two people have been killed in a clash between two groups over land purchase in Dashpukur Boibajar area of Rajshahi city. 6 people, including an Awami League leader, were injured. Police have also arrested 3 people in the incident. Additional police have been deployed in the area to control the situation. The clash took place at 11 a.m. on Wednesday, June 30. The matter has been confirmed by Rajshahi Metropolitan Police Additional Commissioner Ghulam Ruhul Quddus. The budget for the fiscal year 2021-2022 has been passed in the Parliament. The size of the passed budget is estimated Taka 6,03,681 crore, which is 17.5% of the total GDP. This is the third consecutive budget of the Awami League government. Of this, a total allocation of Taka 3,78,357 crore has been made in the other sector. The US-based pharmaceutical and biotechnology company claims that the Moderna US-developed coronavirus vaccine is much more effective against all new types, including Indian ones. According to the international media Reuters, the plasma test of 6 people who took the second dose of Moderna has been found much more effective Moderna vaccine against the Kappa and Delta variants of the coronavirus identified in India and South Africa. Raj Kushal Chattopadhyay, the husband of Mandira Bedi, passed away after suffering a heart attack. He was only 49 years old. The director left the world around 4:30 a.m. on Wednesday, June 30. According to the Bollywood sources, Raj's close friend Jeetu Savlani first informed the media about Raj's death. By profession, director Raj has made Pyar Mein Kabhi Kabhi, Shaadi Ka Laddu, as well as multiple commercials. South Africa beat host West Indies by 1 run in the third match of the 5-match T20 series. The Caribbean needed 14 runs to win the final over the night's match at the National Cricket Stadium in St. George, Grenada on Tuesday, June 29. But Fabian Allen and Dwayne Bravo got 13 in that over made by Kagiso Rabada. After losing the toss, the Proteas batted first and scored 167 runs. Viewers, you have been listening BCN Top News. For more details, please visit our website www.bcnchannel.net. Stay tuned with BCN Channel to get daily updates.